Welcome to Sunshine Stories for Kids.
The Story of the Water Park, a tale of friendship and kindness.
It was a sweltering summer day, and a group of friends, including Hassan, Amina, and their friends, had been planning their trip to the water park for weeks. As they entered the park, they were thrilled to see the towering water slides, the wave pool, and the lazy river. As they were enjoying the rides and attractions, they noticed an elderly man, Bilal, sitting alone on a bench, looking a bit lost and overwhelmed. Hassan, being the kind and empathetic person he was, decided to approach Bilal and strike up a conversation. Bilal shared that he was a retired teacher who had come to the park to relive fond memories of his childhood. However, he was struggling to navigate the park due to his mobility issues and was feeling a bit disheartened. Hassan, without hesitation, offered to help Bilal and show him around the park. Amina and their friends joined in, and together, they made sure Bilal had an amazing time. They took him on the gentler rides, helped him enjoy the wave pool, and even treated him to a delicious ice cream. As the day went on, the group learned that Bilal was not only a retired teacher but also a passionate storyteller. He regaled them with tales of his travels, his students, and his life experiences. The group was captivated by his stories and wisdom. As the sun began to set, the group reluctantly said their goodbyes to Bilal, but not before exchanging numbers and promising to stay in touch. From that day on, Bilal became an honorary member of their friend group, and they would often meet up with him for storytelling sessions and adventures.
Moral of the story.
The story teaches us the power of kindness, empathy, and friendship. Hassan and his friends could have easily ignored Bilal and focused on their own fun, but instead, they chose to include him and make him feel valued and respected. The story highlights the importance of intergenerational connections and understanding, showing that people of all ages and backgrounds can come together and learn from each other. The water park lesson. The story teaches us to be kind and empathetic towards others, regardless of their age or background. Include others in our activities and make them feel valued and respected. Learn from the wisdom and experiences of those who have come before us. Build bridges between generations and foster meaningful connections. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed this story, be sure to like this video to show your support. Share it with your friends and family to spread the kindness. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more inspiring stories and videos. Click the bell icon to turn on notifications and stay updated on our latest videos. We appreciate your support and can't wait to share more stories with you.